All right, hi everyone. We're down at the Paul Bunyan Show on Saturday, and it's getting busy. I am here with Jasonworksalot, the crazy Russian, MSL logging. Here, let me spin this around. This big tall guy. What's your channel? Excavating 320. There you go. Let's see. Look at here. Here you go. Excavating 320. We got Let's Dig. We got some superstars. Let's Dig. Thomas G. He's from California. We got Stump over there. We got that man right there, Arthur Rogers. That's the man. Chipper guy. Let me just go say hi quickly to Arthur. And we'll get this. Here. Can I just get you? This is YouTube, so just say hi. Hey! Here we go. We're with Arthur. Mike, thanks for telling us to meet this guy. This guy is awesome. All right. Perfect. All right, I'll be back. Here's the Eastern Loggers booth. It is busy, busy, busy.